Well, on this special, good morning and welcome to Out Corner. On this special day, I'm actually going to answer some of the comments. This will be fun. First comment is actually from Matthew, and he writes, only BMW. I'm gonna give you a like. Then you have, let's see, crazy ass mother fake. Okay. You are a bad driver from Alex. Well, I'm not Michael Schumacher or Senna, but I try my best. The most cutest POV I've ever seen. Oh, thank you so much. 366k views. 3 clicks tuning indicator, almost real BMW driving, but 3 question mark? You knew need 3 or 2 nor 1. Jesus. And then you have this one, which I actually really like, because if you see my last videos, I went to a scrapyard hunting to get like a sensor because my Audis keep on beeping. And I know that with VidCon you can, or Volkswagen Con, whatever it's called, you can reprogram it. And I've seen some comments on that. And I actually have a Romanian friend who did it for me, so I call him the Romanian hacker man. But that's a different video. But he removed it actually. I did all of that for nothing. But at least I help out the gypsies. Then we have Simon, German. He commented on the BMW E36, which questionably is one of the best BMWs ever made, in my personal opinion. German shit, Lancia. Delta is the best, much better car in any segment. Fuck you Germans, you Nazi. And then we have his Cobra. I'm just here for the fucking AMG, man. I don't want to see any more comments about anything else. I want to see the AMG, nothing else. That's what he said. Sorry. Only AMG from now on. Our nice exhaust, but stop touching the fucking electric windows. Then we have the R32 is not sounding like the GTR. The GTR sounds like the R32, which I really like. And then you have this one, don't skip leg days. I don't skip leg days, I just skip the gym overall. That's my problem. The drawback of living here is that gas is quite expensive. It has one of the highest gasoline taxes in the world. So a full tank of gas in this car is about 110 euros, which sucks. But well, we drove the Volvo, but not really the same. Then you go to AMG. You see the new E36S, it's just so beautiful. And the wagon as well. Also such a beautiful car. Then you have the new CLS, but they don't have it in the full AMG spec. It's the V6 engine instead. It's not the same, but it's such a beautiful car from the rear. Really capture that CLS feeling. Beautiful. Like I said, just in heaven, walking into the AMG Performance Center here in Gothenburg, and you're seeing the newest generations. And I'm dying to drive a new E36S. I really want to drive one, so I need to get my hand on it somehow. I think it's just going to be magical, because you get that madness of what an AMG is. But you still have that luxury and special feeling of an AMG, but also the little bit more poise, like an M5 or something. Which, for example, my car, which is 10+-year-old now. It doesn't have that sharpness that the M5 has. It's a little bit more old school Mercedes, so I need to get my hand on those. As you can see in the video, we just drove the new FI Pace as well. The 450 horsepower, 470 horsepower electric car from Jaguar. And I have to say, it was very impressive. The quality inside was just amazing. And I love how well built the car is. It's sort of what I missed in the Tesla. The Tesla Model S is still a very, very well built car, but in some parts it doesn't feel like the money you're spending on it. And I really want an electric car, because an electric car in daily use is perfect. You don't need a petrol engine, diesel engine for daily use. You just don't. I don't really care. I don't need to hear the sound of the engine and so on and so forth. But then maybe on a weekend, or maybe you just want to take another car to work or whatever, then you take your petrol engine card and you hear the sound and you're shifting and you're doing your stupid shit and whatever. But for daily driving, why not? Och den är väldigt hal. I'm gliding all the way around here. Oh, you always have to make a pit stop at the local McDonald's when you're on a road trip to get some energy for the drive. We got the cheeseburgers, man! We got the cheeseburgers, man! Onwards to reviewing cars. I'm a very professional car reviewer, guys, so I really know what I'm doing. And to do my job properly, I need cheeseburgers.
Like a heavenly